Dear friends, welcome to Learning About. In this video, I'm going to share information from multiple off-campus hirings. So it is from L&T Infotech, VMware, Dell Technologies, Goldman Sachs, and Global Edge, which is part of Capgemini. Okay, so first we'll start with L&T Infotech. So L&T Infotech last week, if you see the engineering hiring, happened, and so that was actually was referral based, and I have shared that information in our webpage learningabout.in. So this is for the non-engineering candidates, and this is for the 2022 batch. So who are eligible? Diploma holders. Okay, so BSc, BCA, BCS. Okay, so in BBA, like CA, CS, CB, DC, these streams are eligible, and the MCA also MSc IT. So these are the departments or these are degrees which are eligible. And year of passing, as I said, 2022. Now I don't have much information on this. Link to apply is given in the description below, so you can just go through it and then you can apply. And the process will happen anytime soon, because if you see last week the engineering process that's happening this week, so this can start anytime soon. Okay, and salary and other details have not been given as far as this L&T Infotech is concerned. And the next hiring is the Global Edge hiring. This is for the role of a software analyst. And so in this, if you see, BE BTech, any branch is eligible, and 2020 and 2021 passed out are eligible, and percentage cutoff 60% in graduation and 10th and 12th. Okay, so 10th, 12th and graduation, minimum 60% is the eligibility criteria, and BE BTech, any branch is eligible, 2020 and 2021 batches. Okay, and so preferably they're asking for so it is not mandatory, but preferably embedded or C++ certificate would be an advantage. And skill set, they are expecting like good knowledge of Linux internal concepts and C programming. And so selection process, online test, aptitude, typical aptitude and reasoning, and then C programming, technical interview, and then HR discussion. And year of passed out, as I said earlier, 2020 and 2021, these two batches are eligible. And location, it's given as Bangalore, Hyderabad, Pune, and Chennai. These 4 locations are given. And so they expect like good aptitude, sound knowledge on analytical skills, strong C++ programming skills, basic and good knowledge on Linux internal concepts. So all this I have shared. Okay. And so CTC offered, see, first 6 months will be a training period, and during the training period only 12,000 is offered. But after that, okay, the CGPA is, the CTC is 3 lakhs, that is 3.8 lakhs, that is roughly like 32,000 per month. Okay. So, and also remember there is a service agreement for 2 years. Okay, so the service agreement for 2 years, please remember that as well. And so link to apply is given in the description below. You can, so if you are eligible and willing, you can apply for this. And coming to the next hiring is from VMware. Okay, so now this is for the role of associate technical support engineer. Okay, and so the qualification is BE BTech, computer science, information science, and electronics and communication, 70% across like 10th, 12th, and graduation, that is BE BTech. Okay, and then if you're currently working also, they have okay, so year of passed out, they have mentioned only 2021, and location is Bangalore. Okay, and so the roles and responsibilities, so this is basically like resolve like customer issues via the telephone, email, or WebEx session, reproducing issues in-house and report back in a timely manner, regular follow-ups with customer with recommendations, update, and action plan, escalate issues in a timely manner according to standard operating procedure, leverage internal technical expertise including peers, mentors, knowledge base, community forums, and other internal tools to provide the most effective solutions to customer issues, create new knowledge articles to capture new learnings for reuse throughout the organization, and so on. They have given. So salary has not been mentioned, and the recruitment process also not mentioned, and the dates are also not mentioned. See, one of the problems with when I make these announcement, okay, so sometimes even when I upload the videos, the link to apply is has expired. Okay, so those who are eligible and willing, and who can, you can apply for this immediately. Okay, and they have also made a requirement of good written and verbal communication skills. Okay, interpersonal skills. Okay, Understanding in virtualization and cloud computing will be preferred, they have mentioned, and also like willing to work in shifts. Understanding of some of the technologies like networking, like storage, Linux, Windows clustering, DHCP, DNS, Windows 2003, 2008, okay, and strong aptitude for learning new technologies and understanding how to utilize them in a customer facing environment. And these are some of the requirements they have given, okay. So link to apply is given in the description below. You can apply. And next hiring is Goldman Sachs. Now this involves two hiring. Okay, one is for the job for the 2022 batch, and for the 2023 batch for internship. Okay, so this is a program open to all engineering students in India across a final year and pre-final year of graduation and post-graduation. And so the first role is new analyst. Okay, so graduation in 2022, full time. Okay, so joining by May or June. And the next one is summer internship. This is for the the candidates will be graduating in 2023. So this is internship. Okay, and so they are calling it as the engineer campus hiring program. Okay, and so the location, it has been mentioned as Bangalore and Hyderabad. Okay, and applications are open from November 23 to 2021, and it will close on January 3rd, 2022. And they have given the selection process. So aptitude test will be conducted on January 9th. Okay, and on Feb 13th there will be technical test. Okay, and those shortlisted post the aptitude test will also engage in a month-long, coursework in the build-up to the technical test, and interviews will be held in the 4th week of February 2022. Okay. And year of passed out, as I said, like 2022 for the job, and 2023 for the internship. And link to apply is given in the description below. You can click on that and apply. And the last hiring is from Dell Technologies. Okay, and now this is software support engineer. And so the application closing date is 15th of December 2021, location Bangalore. Okay, so any degree and all, like it's not been mentioned. Okay, so this is entry level position requiring basic knowledge of programming languages, operating system and database, debugging skills for simple programs using either written or verbal design specifications is expected, a good understanding of hardware and software interactions, first-hand experience with server storage, networking and client technologies, insight into software architectures and application. Okay. So they have also mentioned as desirable requirements as first-hand experience gathered during an internship, student job or related professional role is a desirable requirement. Here again, link to apply is given in the description below. You can click on that to apply. So there is no mention of salary or other details. Okay. So I hope the various the off-campus hirings that I mentioned in this video is useful to you. If you like this video, click on the like button and then share it with your friends. And if you have any questions, please do post your questions in the comment section below. I'll answer as much as possible. I mean, whatever information I know, I'll definitely share. Otherwise, I'll just find out and share. And if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.